Xsensor developed the high-speed impact system based on customer requests. We can now observe and record events on the millisecond timescale. The high-speed impact system is a complete all-in-one solution of a sensor and a standalone data logger. The sensor has a high response rate, so it can react very quickly to very short timescale events, and the data logger provides standalone operation for recording all of this data without the need to have a computer connected to it. The Xsensor high-speed impact system is a compact, lightweight, all-in-one solution that is easily mountable onto a crash sled. The high-speed impact system is revolutionary for the automotive industry. It allows the safety engineer and the comfort designer access to information that has never before been able to be measured.